Yeah. We have a flooded backyard. And the front yard is flooded. This is the backyard. I think the underneath of the house needs a snorkeler. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so too. Just keep measuring while you're out there.
Selfie stick?
He is going to measure the yard.
We are at 1.5 inches.
Do it over there, it's more accurate.
And it's going to be 1.5 inches over here too.
Maybe. Well, anyway, this is our backyard. We're totally, pretty much underwater, almost.
It's 1.5 inches.
It's 1.5 inches back here. And I'm about to fall in my caboose. Like usual. Hee hee.
Yeah. She's on stage.
Ah, darn it.
Who cares?
Yeah, you want to step on the thingy?
I picked it up.
Grab the cat. Put her back in the bathroom. And here is our front. I get wet, I get wet. My feet are gonna freeze. There is our, holy shit. That's Main Street over there. Kids are playing in it.
That Toyota is probably going to try to drive through it and wind up
And I hope they don't, because they're gonna be screwed.
screwing their engine.
And I hope they stay over there. This is the rest of the yard, and the kids are out playing in it. And I'm not about to get any more wet. Move. The
I don't
kids
mind
are
getting
having,
wet.
kids are having them all. Don't play in the rain with that.
I don't mind getting wet.
Don't get wet. I melt.
Yeah, I shall say so. Pure sugar. But yeah, that's what we got going on.
What's the driveway?
Yes, I got a big picture of it. It's a Mountain Dew bottle. Runoff. Yeah, that's the reason why our garage is a little moist. Everything else is a little moist. What? No, I'm just trying to get it to open up. Yep. I know. Okay, what I'm thinking is starting here, right along our fence line, building a rock wall. Right down here, right down the center, just right here. Kind of diverting the water that way. And right here, just completely 86 in this and building a rock wall right here. Another thing we can do is right along the house build like a rock wall, because it doesn't look like it gets any further than an inch or 2 inches, 3 inches or more. So right along there would be a good place to start building a rock wall. Right down the side here, putting a railroad tie or plank. Out putting it right about here. And doing somebody else's job again, because it is my job. But right about here, making it, you know, guiding the water off that way to making it